right? Which one of these two could be the inverse of this? So again, what do you think we're going to have to do? Find f of g of x, right? Or g of f of x, right? It should be that both of them equal x, right? So I'll start by doing the f of g of x. In fact, let me do it different. I'm going to do different than I did last class. It doesn't matter how you do it. Let's do g of f of x. G of f of x equals g of 5 over x minus 2, which is, right, in place of this x, put 5 over x minus 2. 5 over x minus 2 minus 2, and that's all in the numerator, divided by 5. Okay, now, if we wanted to combine what's in the numerator, we would have to find common denominators, right? And it would be, this is a 1, it'd be x minus 2 over x minus 2. But in the end, where's our variable going to end up? It's going to be in the denominator. I mean, you could see already, there's no way we're going to end up this whole thing equals x in the numerator, because there's the next to the first, but it's in the denominator. What's that? Let's see. That one right there. So there's the f of x, and then that's where the minus 2 comes from. So we're doing that one next. Okay, this is g of f of x. So this thing does not equal x. You could play with it, but it's never going to simplify to x. You don't even have x in a numerator where it needs to be. So that definitely is not the inverse. Let's see what happens if we do the other. Right? How about I'll do the h of f of x. Right, that's h of 5 over x minus 2, which is, the h is here, so that's 5 over x minus 2. And that is plus 2. Remember, when we divide 5 over 1 divided by 5 over x minus 2 is the same thing as 5 over 1 times x minus 2 over 5. Right? When we divide by a fraction here, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to take this thing and flip it. When you do that, the 5's cancel. And all that's left is x minus 2 in the numerator. Right? So this whole thing becomes x minus 2, and then we've got the plus 2 that comes after. So the 2's cancel, and that is x. So given the choice between this one and this one, which was the inverse, it's definitely going to be this one. Now, should we really also do the f of h of x? Yeah, you should, but it'll work out. And I ran out of space on the board, so we'll call that good enough. It definitely was not going to be the g of x function, and we already proved that the h of f of x was good. Okay. Yeah. What's that? Go over 5? Yeah, over here it does. When you multiply, it's x minus 2 over 5. That's what I showed over here. When you divide by a fraction, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal.